नमस्ते बिटिया। सदा खुश रहो। बी हैप्पी ऑलवेज। A very good morning to all of you. Myself, JVN Dr. Alka Jain, Associate Professor and HOD in the Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Now, the topic for today's digital session is female condom, and it's a practical session. As in the theory lectures or theory sessions, I have already told about the barrier methods, different type of barrier methods in which I have discussed both male condoms and female condoms. And these are the barrier methods because they act as a barrier from reaching sperms to in cervix. Now this method is a specific spacing method or a barrier or conventional method. And the device, the female condom, it's a soft, thin, transparent pouch. And it is made of polyurethane plastic latex. And it is pre-lubricated with silicone. Female condoms fit loosely inside the vagina and it has flexible ring at both the ends. Internal ring is small and anchors the cervix. And it is a closed end, and the outer ring is larger and stays outside. So here is a picture of a female condom, and in this pictures showing how it should be used, and you can see, and this is outer end and this is inner end, and it is a closed end and it is a open end and it is a larger and it's a small in size. Now another picture showing how it should be inserted like that, and it's a closed end as you can see, and it's an open end which is larger in size, and it's a picture of a female condom. Now how does it act? It forms a barrier, prevents semen from being deposited in vagina, and the eligible candidate is all women can use female condoms. At each act or before each act, a new condom should be used and it is inserted just before and removed soon after intercourse. Outer ring should remain outside the vagina. While using, must be ensured that the penis enters inside the condoms. After using it, remove the condom by holding outer ring and twisting. It should be removed by slowly by a twisting move so that the semen cannot spill out. Male and female condom should not be used together. It is a very it's a precautions which should be used that during intercourse either male or female can use barrier methods. Both both female and male should not use condom at the same time. And the advantage of female condom is easy to use in first experience itself. But the disadvantages are that it is costly and the failure rate is very high. So in India, it is of very little use. And the side effects are very mild irritation and latex allergy. The additional benefits which can be uh, achieved by uh, female condom is it also protects from HIV and sexually transmitted disease. And as I have, you can see that failure rate is very, very much high. It is 20 to 25 per 100 women years of exposure. So generally it is not recommended to use female condoms. Rather that a male condom is very much safer than a female condoms because failure rate is very much low in male condoms in comparison to female condoms. So, in India, doctors usually do not prescribe females for a female condoms. So, this is all about your practical session, female condoms. I hope you understood very well. And if there is any query or any question or problem regarding this session, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it as soon as possible. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you so much.